Hi students, I am Deepak Bhavur from New Catholic Mission School, Java. Dear students of 9th class, I welcome you to this English class. Students, we are going to study today a lesson 8. This is from book Beehive. The name of the lesson is Reach for the Top. In this lesson, we are going to study about two personalities who have contributed a lot for a country and become the inspiration for the young one. So, without wasting more time, let us get into the character part. Here about the two characters we are going to study. See, first of all, Santosh Yadav, the only one woman, a mountaineer in the world who has scaled Mount Everest twice in recognition of her achievements. She was the woman, she scored or she scaled Mount Everest twice in her whole life. In recognition of her achievements, one of the top honors, Padam Shri, was given to her. So this was the award she achieved in her life. And the second personality is that Maria Sharapova. She has been the brightest star of tennis. She became an inspiration for other people and other young ones. She also became the world's number one ranked player in 2005, and she is a style iconic or icon and famous not only for her movie star looks but also for her powerful serve. She loves singing, eating chocolate, pancakes, drink orange drinks, and dancing and reading novels of author Conan Doyle. So this was her hobbies, or she spent most of her time in doing such activities. Dear students, let us get into the introduction part of this two chapters or the chapter 8. There are two parts, first part and second part, but the introduction is combined and let us get into it. Reach for the Top is a biographical story that tells us about the lives of two greatest women, Santosh Yadav and Maria Sharapova. Okay. It celebrates the achievements of these two strong ladies who achieved success despite hardships. This is what the most important point. They happen to face lot of difficulties on the way of this success or on the way of this path, but in spite of all this, they achieved at the end of their journey. One thing common between these two was that they defied all odds to pursue their passion and succeeded in it. We know if someone has passion to achieve something, they need to work continuously without hesitation, without bothering the consequences. So these two ladies without bothering about the consequences, the hurdles and the obstacles, they kept on doing and finally they achieved something in their life. Through Reach for the Top, students will learn how hard work and determination can help you go a long way. This chapter is going to help you. Hard work and the determination. Moreover, it also shows us that in order to achieve immense success means beyond our understanding, beyond the reach. People has the potentiality, the power, the capacity to achieve something in their life. We require determination. If you keep on working, there is no obstacles, no problem which can prevent you to achieve, because you have set your goal to determine something or to achieve something. You need to determine in your mind that you are going to work throughout the hardships, problems and other obstacles, maybe training and sacrifice as well. It shows us that the path of success is not easy. It is fact. Path of success is not easy, because you need to undergo lot of problems, but the results are surely sweet and satisfying. When you achieve it at the end, it seems so sweet and satisfying. Thus this chapter serves as an inspiration for anyone looking to find some motivation to pursue their dreams and walk the path of success. This is the introduction part. Let us get into the life of Santosh Yadav. She was a very strong personality, and without looking back, she kept on working forward, working towards. She was born in a small village named Junyavas of Rewari district in Haryana. Of course, the great personality comes from Haryana. In her village, birth of child was not welcomed. The people, it is a narrow mind understanding. People have this certain understanding that girl child, they are not welcomed in the society. Before her birth, a holy man was about to give her mother the blessing of son, but her grandmother insisted that they wanted a daughter. Why? We have some reason behind it, because already 5 brothers are there in the family, and now the holy man, while traveling, he wanted to bless her or the unborn child's mother with a baby boy. But grandmother, she has a great heart, and she insisted the holy man not to bless for a daughter. For a boy, a baby, we don't want boy, baby, but instead we want a baby girl. So sister of 5 brothers, Santosh is the only sister to her 5 brothers, and it means contentment. The word itself says contentment means satisfying. In Hindi we say Santosh, and in English it is satisfying, which shows the happiness on her birth. That means on her birth everybody was delighted. Everybody was delighted and sharing love and happiness, because they got a girl baby in the family. Therefore the name they kept is Santosh. Santosh's education, despite being rich, her parents sent her to the village school. Though they were wealthy family, our Santosh family was quite wealthy. They had the capacity to, or they had the capable attitude, or they can send Santosh to a city school, but in spite of that they sent her to a village school. She decided to fight the system, so she enrolled herself in a school in Delhi against her parents' wish. Now here sentence says she decided to fight the system, but system was like this. In her village, if a girl crossed 16, she has to get married. That was the matter. So Santosh was just opposite to this system, and Santosh decided that she will not allow her parents to enforce or insist for marriage, and therefore she enrolled herself in a school in Delhi against her parents' wish. Parents did not want it, but against her parents' wish, she went to Jaipur for her higher studies. After completing her schoolings, she completed her schoolings in village and went to higher school to Jaipur. Now Santosh dream of mountaineering. How? she became so curious towards this passion. How? See, it says the Santosh hostel room in Jaipur. Jaipur faced the Aravalli hills. It is in Rajasthan. So, where Santosh was living, the hostel room, it faced the Aravalli hills, and she used to watch people climbing the hill. There she did not keep quiet, but she observed people climbing the hill every day. Santosh used to peep through window, and Santosh observed everything, all the activities happening on the mountain. She got curious and went to meet the mountaineers one day. One day she decided to meet the mountaineers, and she got some good information from them. She asked them if she could join them. Yes, she was so curious, we know. She wanted to learn new things at every steps of her life, and she asked them to join them. They agreed and encouraged her to take mountaineering. Yes, they agreed. It was a positive answer. She enrolled herself in a course at Uttarakhand Nehru Institute of Mountaineering, and then in order to join this mountaineering activity, she also joined the college Uttarakhand, and that is the Nehru Institute of Mountaineering, and then she didn't look back. After that, she did not look back. She informed her parents about this and apologizes to them for taking admission without their permission, because when she took admission, she did not inform her parents. But she has that passion. She had such a curious mind to achieve something in her life. Dear students, here Santosh as a remarkable climber. Santosh became the remarkable climber. Dear student, this is a personality in the form of Santosh, or in the human being of Santosh. She went for an expedition every year and developed a remarkable resistance to cold and the altitude. Her determination and strong willpower helped her a lot. It was the thing which helped her to achieve this goal. Determination and strong power, or strong will. If you have strong will and determination in your mind, you can achieve anything in your life. But it is just matter of determination and willpower. She had physical stamina, no doubt, because she kept on practicing every day. She did not delay in anything. She was doing every activity in time, and therefore she built up good stamina and mental toughness, which were most necessary for climbing. This was the mental toughness and the determination. Everything helped her to climb the mountain. Santosh dream comes true. Now Santosh dreams comes true. How? Conquering Mount Everest is a dream. It was a goal for her. She set a goal and she conquered over it. Every climber wishes to fulfill. Santosh achieved this success in 1992 when she was only 20 years old, and she became the youngest woman in the world to climb Mount Everest. Within a year, she scaled Mount Everest again and became the only woman mountaineer in the world to climb Mount Everest twice. And she also saved the life of Mohan Singh, who was her fellow climber. How did she save? She saved her by sharing her oxygen. Okay, he was almost about to die, but at that point of time she helped him by sharing her oxygen. Honored by the Indian government. Here Santosh was honored. She was awarded by an honor. It was most prestigious honor which was awarded by the government of India. Santosh Yadav was honored with one of the top awards and the Padma Shri. This was the award in recognition of the achievements by Government of India. The second part, see, dear students, we have completed the first part. It was about Santosh Yadav, and the next part we are going to refer is about Maria Sharapova, because these two ladies became the inspiration for young ones, and they help us to go forward without hesitation, without bothering the consequences in the life. Part second says Maria Sharapova. Maria Sharapova attains top position in world tennis. World tennis, she achieved, or she attains the world position, or the top position in the world in terms of tennis games. She is a teen sensation. She has the teen sensation. That means she is quite aware and she can attain the set goal. The number one position in the world women's tennis on 22nd August 2005. She took only years to achieve her dream. She also said she dreamed and she achieved it. The journey actually started 9 years ago, because it doesn't happen in a day. You have to set a goal, or you have to forecast, or you need to look for it, and before that you need to prepare for it. When she was sent to America for her formal training, yes, it was identified by her family members, and she was sent to America in order to have training for the trainees. Maria's training in America, she spent quite good time in America and had training. She was born in Siberia. Okay, she was born in Siberia, that is in Russia, but Maria's father Yuri took her to America for training as a tennis profession, and she was given as a training profession because she was a person to achieve something in the field of tennis, and her father, he showed interest for Maria to achieve or to attend training. She was separated from her mother for almost 2 years when she was not even 10 years. Dear student, you can imagine, today we find difficulty to be separated from our parents and brothers and family members, but you need to sacrifice something. If you have set a goal to achieve something in your life, of course we need to sacrifice most important things also. We need to sacrifice so that we can achieve something good in our life. Her father earned as much as he could to keep her tennis training going. Her father was also showed a lot of interest, and he spent times and money after her training. Maria's tough times make her strong. Maria had faced tough time in her training period, but that tough time helped her to become more strong. She felt lonely and missed her mother badly. See, you can imagine here, she felt lonely as a human being. She is a human being, and it is a fact that we feel lonely and sometimes we missed our near and dear. The other athletes made her to tidy up the room, because sometimes she was not in a mood to do her home activities. In such time, her friends, they helped her out in cleaning the rooms and also clothes. The tough time made her strong and determined. This tough time helped her to make her strong and also determined. She also learned how to take care of herself, because if there is no one near by you, then you can learn a lot of things, because you have to do by your own. Her motto was to work hard to fulfill her desires. That was her motto. She carried her motto throughout her training period that she will work hard and in order to fulfill her desires. Marius as a true patriot. Patriot means just to show the dedication towards religion or country. So she was quite dedicated towards her country, and it is showed here her patriot. She lives in America, but she still calls herself Russian. No doubt she belongs to Russia, and now in order to have training, she was living in America, but she showed a lot of interest and talks about Russia. That means she showed patriotism. However, the United States is a big part of her life, but at heart she is a Russian. Okay, she is a Russian and she dreams of playing Olympics of Russia. If she allow her to play here, she dreams. If she is allowed to play for Russia, she was always ready to play for Russia. Here she is trying to express her patriotism towards Russia or her own country. It clearly shows that she is a true patriot. Okay, in this point she is expressing her patriotism towards her country. Her hobbies and interests of Maria. The hobbies and interests of Maria. Maria's hobbies are singing and dancing. As every girl child or boy child, they have the interest. In a such way, she was also having her own interests like singing and dancing. She reads Arthur Conan Doyle's novels, and she has a great sense of fashion, and she is fond of pancakes with chocolate and orange drinks. She finds money as motivation, but she dreams to become number one in the world, and this dream keeps on going. She did not just look back, but she focused on her dream and she went for it. Dear students, last I have set some questions for you. You need to think over these questions. The questions are value-based questions. First one says, how did Santosh develop a liking for mountain climbing? Everybody has some craze or curiosity to achieve in the life. Santosh also developed herself, or Santosh developed her towards her goal, or Santosh developed the capacity and the stamina, and also the minds. She set her mind to achieve something. How did it happen in her whole life? So you need to think over this question. The second say, what are the achievements of Santosh Yadav? Santosh Yadav achieved many things in her life. What are the achievements? Then what does Maria describe her journey from Siberia to United States? Maria observed a lot of things in her life, and she described the journey throughout from Siberia to United States. So dear students, from these two parts we learn many things like dedication, and also we learned from two parts the sacrifice. If we want to achieve something, we need to sacrifice a lot of things in our life in order to achieve some good things. So I request you to go through this lesson and learn something more for your life. Thank you very much.